Warming up the welding truck. Gotta weld that new bin door on tonight. Have to head out to the satellite shop to do it. So I pulled the weld truck in the building to clean in the windshield. I have the paint booth heater on, so there's about a 90-degree temp blowing down on it. Melted all the ice off, so it's not going to be a pain in the neck to drive. There's the new bin door all wrapped up, ready to go. Have my tools packed up in the truck. Couple-hour job. So there's the patient. Already swapped the paddle handles over. This thing's pretty well hammered. So what you do is you grind the spot welds until they're tissue paper thin. You can really see that one with the heat marks. Then you use an air chisel to bust them free. Easy peasy. So I have 2 spot welds left, and this thing's free. Alright, new bin door done. Had a bad slam lock, so I had to put a new one on it. There we go.